Be 16 months. Did you have something to say on your birthday? Did you have something to say on your birthday? Mama's gonna get Mason. I can't bend over with the camera in my hand. Mama didn't get Mason as good, huh? Look, you're starting to get hair. Well, it's starting to come back. I think we're gonna have brown hair. You're not gonna be bald much longer.